Yeah, we've never been here before, have we?
I mean, we know a lot of people that have. Just we've never been.
We are out here at Echo Valley in Nowhereville, Kentucky. This is Seabury?
Yeah. Huh?
Is this Seabury, Kentucky? Something like that. Do you feel uncomfortable me filming you right now?
I'm comfortable in my own skin.
Alright, alright.
It's not like anyone's gonna see this.
Yeah, that's true. What are you doing?
I'm gonna jump that anthill and downside the inside corner.
Dude, you're not gonna do that. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to spoil your story. Like a video game, all you gotta do is just hit the X button.
Yeah,
No,
set a flag back there.
Just
and
lean.
just keep doing it till you make it.
Lean back then forward to preload.
Yeah, do the preload.
That's how that works.
Yeah, except for the front end of the bike just dives straight into the ground. Do the old Zach Vanderpool yank up on the whole bike, lift it up.
Use your upper body strength, bro.
That bike looks so much better without those handguards today for some reason. It like actually looks clean. Where's Dylan? He just fall? Alright. He didn't even make a lap. He already wrecked. Did he like wreck or just fall? Tell me in the comments if Dylan wrecked or if he fell, if you guys know. Those are my old handguards off my four-wheeler. That sucks, man.
Dude, it's so deep. I just went into the corner and I let off and it swallowed it up and just stopped.
Be careful next time. Alright, let's try to figure this track layout so I can get some decent footage today. Hopefully I will. I think I should. I'm like the best cameraman there is. Well, how you doing, Nick?
We're getting in the groove. Dude, the track is really fun. It's deep though, and I can't remember how hard to hit the jumps, but mostly I've left my balls in the truck. So I gotta go back and get those and then I'll do them.
I was just telling him I forget which jump is which because they're blind.
Second gear or is this like wide open third? And I got the X transmission, so I'm like, I don't even know. You shift into fourth gear and it's like, bleh.
Your turn, Dylan.
Wow. It doesn't make it look that hard.
He preloaded. No, don't do it, don't do. Oh shoot.
I'm trying to get some water.
All right. See ya. You gonna jump that?
No. Dude, it's easy. Just hold it on.
You think?
You got it.
Think I got enough speed going into it the way I was?
No. Hell no.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
If you jump it like that,
If you jump it like that, I'm gonna be over there with the camera.
I'm not gonna jump it.
God damn. What do you want?
my clutch is so smoked.
It's pretty bad now.
Yeah, maybe it was just out of adjustment. I don't know.
Is it? Did you adjust it?
Yeah, I just adjusted now. Let's see what it does.
All right.
Dang, it's bad though.
That sucks.
Let's go! Oh! Ouchie. It's into a 30-minute moto right now. I'm taking a small break.
How's those clutches?
What?
How's the
You want to
clutches?
do a 2-hour
It's
moto?
better. I had it adjusted too far in with no slack.
We're probably gonna go do 3 rounds.
Wow,
The first
that's
hour-
crazy,
the first hour
Bubba.
we'll have
Yeah,
to verify.
I know.
The second hour-
That was a pretty good one. What?
Videotape this kid that's fixing to come around. He's gonna jump that tabletop.
Nope.
Guard tower is.
The one on the KTM, right?
A little slippery out there.
Is it?
A little slippery.
Oh damn, your tires are packed.
Daggum, that's why I can't
Like
get
your
it
lunch.
cracking.
Am I right?
You're right. If I come through and hit this right here, I can get over that fence.
You could probably get tangled up in the fence pretty good. Is that all it had?
All that. Needs a couple modifications.
Getting the most use out of them. Oh, is it? Is that what it is?
You want to wait till
Dylan, your sprockets are toast, dude.
Yeah.
Look at that front one.
You want to wait for the teeth to fall off, then you...
We're over here at Jody's dropping Dalton's bike off to get the suspension done. And Jody's got a 01 CR250 engine and a 2011 CRF 250 frame that he did. Well, him and his buddies did. And it wasn't a kit. They hand built this bike. It's pretty badass. So you're gonna let Dalton ride it for a minute. It's fixing to be for sale too. So I wish we could do a whole riding video with this bike.
For real. Like if we would have had it out there today. God damn.
Wear a helmet on, Joby.
Downhill. How are the physics even possible?
They're not.
He did it.
He's not mortal. Turn your hat around, it's gonna fly off. Probably not. Man, that would be one hell of a video. That bike looks so good though.
What, you're not gonna ride it through there?
On the back wheel.